2017 through 2020 Teslas came with chrome window trim, door handles, and fender camera trim. Some people like to do chrome deletes, but I actually like the chrome trim. Now with 2021 Teslas coming standard with black trim, chrome will now be less common. Today I will be unboxing and installing something new. When I saw these 18-inch wheel covers, I was interested in seeing how they compare to the Tesla Aero covers and the Rymetrix orbital covers. These covers are made by Mayde, and here is the Amazon webpage showing that they are available in chrome and black versions. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Each hubcap is wrapped in a plastic bag, and there is a foam protective sheet between each one. I looked over all 4 covers and the quality is very good. These are sturdy hard plastic covers with a shiny chrome finish. These are not Aero covers in that they will not help with efficiency. They are purely for aesthetics. These hubcaps offer some interesting benefits. Like the Rymetrix orbitals, they cover the entire 18-inch alloy wheel surface. So if you have any curb rash damage on your wheels, these will hide any visible defects. These caps are also fairly inexpensive at less than $25 each. Currently there's a 5% coupon that brings the price down to $95 for a set of 4. Turning it over, you can see that there are nubs that will attach to each of the 10 spokes on the aluminum alloy wheels. In addition, there are foam pads on every other spoke to provide cushion against the metal wheels. One difference from the orbital covers is that there are openings for the lug nuts, so you can use the same nut covers that came with the center cap kits that Tesla used to sell and are also available on Amazon. As I mentioned before, these covers are also available in gloss black. I went with the chrome since I haven't seen any chrome wheel covers available for the Model 3 18-inch wheels. Let me put one of these on a scale and see how much it weighs. It comes to 1 pound 8 ounces or 0.7 kilograms for each hubcap. Now on to putting them on the wheels. First I need to remove my Rymetrix orbitals. I take off the locking center cap, and then I pull off the cover. Underneath, I need to clean the brake dust and dirt that accumulates there. Once clean, I can put on the new chrome hubcaps. Line up the inflation valve opening to the valve on the wheel. Put the cover over the valve. And press down along all of the 10 spokes. As you are doing this, they will all snap in as you move along the wheel. Once installed, you can see that it covers the entire wheel. So if you have any curb rash scratches, these will hide them. We're not done yet. There still needs to be a couple items to complete the look. The first item is a set of chrome plastic nut covers, and it costs $12. This kit includes 20 caps, with one as an extra. When ordering caps, you don't have to get the ones specifically made for Tesla, just order any that have a 21mm inside diameter and they will fit. It also comes with a plastic tool to remove them. The next item is a chrome center cap kit, and this costs $20. It includes black covers, however, we will not be using them. If you don't like to use chrome caps, then just buy this kit since the black ones will also work. Another nice thing about these hubcaps is that they are compatible with the standard Tesla center caps. These center caps are not a totally perfect match for the chrome, but it's the closest that I could find. There are dark gray and black center caps, but I don't think they look right on these hubcaps. The links for all these items, including the Mayde covers, are listed in the video description below. Going back to the car, I'll show you how these two kits look like when they're installed. Place the chrome covers on the exposed lug nuts. For the center cap, I place the direction of the Tesla logo so that it points towards the tire inflation valve. This is a handy reminder so that you can find the valve quickly. Press it into the opening and it will snugly snap in. Now I'll zoom in and show you a side view of the cover when it's on the wheel. And it does stick out a little bit, kind of similar to how the Rymetrix orbitals attach to the wheel. I suppose it's possible that curve damage to these covers may occur, but on the positive side, they're easy to replace and fairly inexpensive. For the next wheel, I'll show you that you can just put the center cap on before you attach it to the wheel. Snap it in, and then remove the protective plastic film. Oh, and another thing, these center caps come only with a red Tesla logo, but you can easily purchase vinyl logos in other colors if you wish, and just cover it. For example, here's a black vinyl logo that I purchased for another project. I'm not sure which color I'm going to use, maybe a dark gray. And now let's take off the hubcap. You need to carefully pull the tabs out for each of the spokes. Eventually, the whole cover comes off. You can see how I have to loosen each one of these, and eventually when I get a little more than halfway around, you can see the cover start to move. And as you can see, it takes quite a bit of patience to do this. However, disappointedly, this hubcap is scratching the paint where the tabs touch the alloy wheels. Looking at it close up, the plastic tabs are scratching some of the spokes, even though I was carefully pulling them away from the wheel. Here is another wheel, and I'll show you right here. And also on this spoke. And also the spoke on the lower right. But all is not lost. Let me see if there's a way to reduce or eliminate this issue. I will place a foam insulation, the same as I used on the Rhymetrix orbitals. Place a small piece about 3/4 of an inch or about 2 centimeters over each of the tabs. I'll attach it so that it covers all the way around the plastic tab from the bottom to the top. And here you can see close up. And I'll do this for all 10 of them. And after a few minutes, it's done. Hopefully this will still allow the hubcap to grip the wheel, but with a little more protection. My goal is that this will keep the wheel safe over the long term. And let's see how it goes on the wheel. So far so good. It looks like the plastic tabs are attaching to the spokes well, and it seems like a solid fit. Here's a view of the new chrome hubcaps in my garage with the LED lights on. I just pulled the car out of the garage to show you how they look like in sunlight. So in conclusion, these chrome hubcaps are designed well in that they cover the entire wheel and makes it look like a real wheel and not just a hubcap. I will have to take points off for the attachment design. While strong, the plastic tabs might scratch the alloy spokes when removing. Possibly redesigning them with a soft outer layer like my modification would go a long way towards making them safer for the wheel's paint. If, however, you plan to just keep them on without ever removing them, it's less of an issue. These hubcaps offer an inexpensive way to get chrome wheels for your Model 3. I know that not everyone loves chrome, but I like it a lot. The glossy black versions offer another color besides the dark gray finish on these 18-inch wheels. And the glossy black may match cars with a chrome delete better than the base 18-inch dark gray wheels. So while these don't help with aero, I find that they would work great for local and city driving. And like I said before, be careful when removing these hubcaps. They may damage the paint on the alloy wheels. If you place a piece of foam or tape over them, that should fix the issue. Personally, I probably will use my orbitals when going on trips when efficiency makes a big difference. Let me know down below if you have any questions or comments, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.